Hi, my name is Harshad Mali. I'm a managing director at mbaMission. I have been at mbaMission since 2016. Writing was always my forte, my passion. And when I finished my MBA at Chicago Booth, this was a natural calling for me. I am an engineer, a mechanical and aerospace engineer. A lot of my work was related to design. I did a lot of coding, talked to a lot of people, traveled the world over. As a consultant, my working style is pretty direct, but my directness is not to bring my applicant clients down. It's to get the best out of them that they might not be able to do. I always tell people I really like to crack jokes, lighten the mood, but I'm also very sensitive. I am very personal with my clients. I make sure that they're doing okay. Every call, I make sure that they're in the state of mind that they can deliver things for them. My favorite part of the application process is really helping people discover who they are. Most people don't realize that they have many unknown knowns in them. Unknown knowns are things people don't know that they know, and I try to bring those things out of them. The kind of people I like to work with is not one set formula. I enjoy working with people of diverse personalities, backgrounds. I like to work with people who open up, who are really up to the standards of thinking. I always think good writing is good thinking. Then we bring those thoughts out on paper and through their speech and interviews. If you want to learn more about me, how I can help you understand who you are and how we can bring that out in your applications, please schedule a free consultation. Let's talk.